Why do 80% of car enthusiasts drool over classic sports cars? Let's find out. Picture this. It's 1961 and the Jaguar E-Type just rolled off the line. With its sleek curves and roaring engine, it's no wonder Enzo Ferrari called it the most beautiful car ever made. Fast forward to the 70s and meet the Porsche 911. Iconic design, unbeatable performance. It's been the dream ride for generations. And who could forget the Ferrari F40 of the 80s? Built to celebrate Ferrari's 40th anniversary, it's a speed demon that still turns heads today. Into the 90s, we got the McLaren F1. A car so fast, it set the record for the world's fastest production car. These legends aren't just machines. They're a testament to human ingenuity and passion. So which one gets your heart racing? Let us know in the comments.